If you want your videos to sound more professional, one of the simplest tricks you can use is fading your audio in and out. Instead of music or sound effects starting abruptly, a fade creates a smooth transition that feels much more natural for viewers. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fade audio in and out in DaVinci Resolve. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Let's jump into it. First, open your project and go to the edit page. This is where most of your timeline editing happens. Make sure the audio clip you want to adjust is already placed on the timeline. Now move your mouse to the top corner of the audio clip. You'll notice a small white handle appear in the upper corner of the clip. A lot of beginners miss this because it's subtle, but this is actually the built-in fade control. To create a fade in, go to the top left corner of the audio clip. Click the white handle and drag it to the right. As you drag, you'll see a curved line appear. That curve represents the fade. The longer you drag it, the slower and smoother the fade will be. This is perfect if you're adding background music under a voiceover. Instead of blasting in at full volume, the music gradually fades in and sounds much more polished. Now let's do the fade out. Go to the top right corner of the audio clip. You'll see the same white handle. Click it and drag it toward the left. Just like before, a curve appears showing the fade. This gradually lowers the volume until the audio disappears completely. I use this all the time at the end of music tracks, so the song gently fades away instead of cutting off suddenly. Here's a quick workflow tip that can save you time when editing. If you know your music always needs a fade, add the fade before you start trimming the clip. That way you won't have to keep adjusting it later when your edit changes. Another mistake I see beginners make is creating fades that are too short. If the fade is only a few frames long, viewers will barely notice it. A slightly longer fade usually sounds more natural, especially for music. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know about those little handles on the corners of the clip, fading audio in DaVinci Resolve becomes incredibly quick. It's a small edit, but details like this are what make videos feel clean and professional. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials like this.